This is the AI News Flash for May 31st, 7 a.m. UTC. First up, Bloomberg exclusive. Chinese authorities have signaled a new policy direction for online platforms, officially announcing a comprehensive approach balancing tech company growth promotion with strengthened oversight. This marks a critical turning point for China's AI ecosystem policy. The new policy signal from China's Politburo meeting clarifies a dual strategy of regulation and growth promotion targeting major platform companies including Tencent, Alibaba, ByteDance, Meituan, and Pinduoduo. The Cyberspace Administration's platform pricing regulations, which took effect April 10th and remain valid for 5 years, have already laid foundational groundwork. Amid China's drive to build an independent AI ecosystem, this policy approach complements Huawei, Ascend AI chips, DeepSeek V4, and Alibaba Cloud's $100 billion 5-year AI infrastructure commitment. As a counter-strategy to long-term U.S. export controls on AI chips to China, this aims to drive domestic AI market expansion. Meanwhile, on May 26, China expanded overseas travel restrictions on top AI talent at Alibaba, DeepSeek, and other private firms, strengthening its national security approach across both AI technology and talent. As a critical milestone in the 2026 U.S.-China AI geopolitical hegemony battle, this development will decisively impact the global technology landscape. Next, CNBC exclusive. Trump-linked humanoid robot startup Foundation announced full-scale plans to deploy humanoid robots to the U.S. military. This marks a decisive moment as physical AI enters a new dimension in military applications. Foundation has already deployed 2 Phantom Mk1 humanoid robots to the Ukrainian front line as the world's first combat zone deployment for reconnaissance testing, securing a $24 million U.S. military contract. This latest development covers Mk2 mass production and large-scale U.S. military deployment plans with 80-kilogram payload capacity and waterproof specifications. With China dominating 90% of the global humanoid robot market through 140 companies and 330 models, this represents a symbolic case for full-scale U.S. independent physical AI military strategy, positioned alongside Tesla Optimus, Figure AI, and NVIDIA GR0T in the U.S. camp. It drives the defense tech investment boom following Anduril's $61 billion valuation and Shield AI's $12.7 billion. Under the Trump administration's AI Action Plan and the decisive phase of U.S.-China AI military hegemony competition, humanoid robot military deployment is becoming reality. As the most important milestone in 2026 physical AI military applications, this could fundamentally transform the nature of combat, personnel composition, and defense procurement. Third, OpenAI officially announced full-scale entry into the enterprise AI consulting business. The new subsidiary, OpenAI DeployCo, known as DeployCo, was established as a majority-owned entity with over $4 billion in initial investment commitment. Simultaneously, OpenAI acquired applied AI consulting firm Tomoro, with 150 engineers joining DeployCo. DeployCo comprehensively offers AI agent implementation support, custom AI model development, and enterprise AI strategy consulting for enterprise customers. While OpenAI has been an API provider until now, it is making full-scale entry into the market territory of major IT consulting firms including Accenture, Deloitte, PwC, KPMG, IBM, Cognizant, Wipro, TCS, and Infosys. This is positioned as a strategic counter to Anthropic's Claude family penetration trend exceeding 80% of Fortune 500 enterprises against Anthropic's ARR exceeding $30 billion and faster enterprise penetration pace than OpenAI. OpenAI counters with direct enterprise relationship building through its consulting business, with hyperscaler 4 companies dominating the AI infrastructure market through combined $725 billion 2026 CapEx. AI agent implementation support services are entering full-scale monetization phase. Amid intensifying AI implementation competition in the global IT consulting industry, OpenAI's vertical integration strategy as a consulting provider itself represents a decisive moment that will fundamentally rewrite the enterprise AI market landscape. Fourth, Bloomberg exclusive AI coding startup Cognition AI officially announced raising over $1 billion in a new funding round at a $26 billion valuation. Venture firms Lux Capital, General Catalyst, and 8VC co-led the financing. Cognition AI, known as the developer of the autonomous software engineering agent Devon, is rapidly establishing itself as a major player in the autonomous AI software development market. The $26 billion valuation serves as the latest indicator of strong demand in the AI coding domain, demonstrating rapid valuation acceleration. Amid the AI coding market hegemony battle, including Claude Code's $2.5 billion annual run rate, Cursor's ARR of $2 billion as the fastest-growing SaaS in history, GitHub Copilot, and Codex Cognition AI, has established a unique position with its autonomous agent differentiation. This is part of the broader AI industry mega-funding trend alongside Anthropic's ARR over $30 billion and OpenAI approaching $1 trillion valuation. As institutional investor, AI caution expands with Michael Burry's $1.1 billion put option on the AI bubble, IMF warnings on private credit market AI boom overheating risk, and Bridgewater's danger phase warnings. The AI coding segment moves into full-scale monetization phase as a high-growth segment backed by real demand. As the most important milestone in the 2026 AI coding market, this reaches a critical phase that will fundamentally transform software development. That's all for this AI news flash.